Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Amreen Akhtar Tania, teacher of Manston School and College, English Medium Junior Section, Sector 7. My dear students, are you fine? I hope you all are very fine. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Students, do you know which class I am going to take now? I am going to take your English class now. In our English class, we learn alphabet, phonic sound and objects name by each letters, right? Students, do you know I can show you magic? Would you like to see the magic? See, I have magic stick. Now I will do the magic, okay? Look here. Wow! What is it? I got a box, alphabet box, right? This is alphabet box. Here are all the letters. Okay, I will show you all the letters, but you have to do one thing. Do you know what? You have to say with me. I will show you later and you will say with me and you will say the phonic sound of the letter, okay? And we will read out the object's name also, okay? Students, look which letter is coming at first. This is letter A. This is letter A. A phonic sound is A. A phonic sound is A. A for ant. A for apple. Okay. Now, which letter is coming out? This is letter B. B phonic sound is ba. B phonic sound is ba. B for ball. B for bag. Okay. So, now this is letter C. C phonic sound is ka. C for car. C for cat. Okay. Then see next which letter will come? This is letter D. D phonic sound is da. D phonic sound is da. D for dog. D for doll. Okay. D next which letter? Can you say? Let's see which letter is coming out. Wow, this is letter E. E phonic sound is A. E for elephant. E for egg. Okay, now which letter is coming out? A. A phonic sound is F for fan. F for fish. F, then which letter is coming? Let's see. Which letter is coming out now? G. G phonic sound is ga. G for grapes. G for guard. Okay, now the letter H is coming out. H phonic sound is ha. H for head. H for heart. This is letter I. I phonic sound is E. I for ink. I for igloo. And now which letter is coming out? This is letter. Tell me the name. This is letter J. J phonic sound is J. J for jug. J for juice. Okay, now let's see which is coming out. This is letter K. K phonic sound is Ka. K for kite. K for king. Now, this is letter L. L phonic sound is L. L for lion. L for leaf. Now, which letter is coming out? This is letter M. M phonic sound is M. M for monkey. M for mango. Okay, now which is coming out? N is coming out. N phonic sound is N for nut. N for nest. Okay, now this is letter O. O phonic sound is O. O for orange. O for octopus. Okay, now who is this coming out? This is letter P. P phonic sound is Pa. P, Pa, pumpkin. P, Pa, pen. Now, who is coming out? This is letter Q. Q phonic sound is Qua. Q phonic sound is Qua. Q for queen. Q for quaint. Okay, so students, have you enjoyed the magic show? I think you all have enjoyed a lot. I have also enjoyed a lot. Okay. Students, in our previous classes, we already learned letter A to Q, right? And we learned the phonic sound and object's name of each letters, right? I think if I show you any objects, you can easily say the letter's name, right? Look here. What is it? This is cow. What for cow? Can you tell me? Cow. Which letter phonic sound is ka? C. C phonic sound is ka. So C for cow. Okay, then what are these? Wow, juicy fruits, right? These are so yummy and juicy. Can you tell me what are these? These are grapes. These are grapes. So what for grapes? Which letter? Can you say? Grapes. Ga, grapes. So which letter's phonic sound is ga? Can you say? G phonic sound is ga. So G for grapes. Students, now look at the board. Students, now look at the board. Here I have drawn some pictures. Now, if I ask you the picture name and the letter's name, so can you give me the answer? I think you all can say, right? Because you already learned it very well. Our first picture is, what is its name? Tell me, this is ball. Yes, this is ball. What for ball? Ball. Ball. Can you say which letter's phonic sound is ba? B. Yes, B, ba, ball. So I will write here letter B, right? Okay. Then what is it? This is fan. Yes, this is fan. What for fan? Fan. So which letter's phonic sound is? Can you say? A. Yes, A phonic sound is. So I will write here letter A. Okay, now what is it? This is orange. So orange beginning sound is O. Orange, O, orange. So which letter's phonic sound is O? Can you say? O phonic sound is O, right? So O for orange, right? Okay, now look here. What is it? This is hat. This is hat. Okay, so what for hat? Can you say? Hat. 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 So here beginning sound is ha. So which letter's phonic sound is ha? H. H phonic sound is ha. So I will write here letter H. think you all can say, right? L. L phonic sound is L. L writing is so easy, right? It's simply standing still. So students, I think you all can do it, right? Now, I will start our today's lesson. Students, our today's topic is see the letter and match with the correct picture. So, what we have to do? We have to see the letters of this side. Then, we have to find out the correct picture by each letter and we will make a friendship with them, right? Because they are so far away, right? Because they are not beside the letter, right? We will make a friendship with them, okay? We will match them, okay? So, what is our first letter, students? Tell me. Our first letter is D. D phonic sound is da. D phonic sound is da. So, we will find out the friend of letter D, right? We will find out the objects by the letter D. So, this is grapes, right? D, da, grapes. Is it correct? No, this is not correct. Then what is it? This is duck. D, duck, duck. Is it correct? Yes, this is correct. So, we will make friendship with letter D and duck. Okay, we will make friendship like this way. Okay, then what is this letter? Can you tell me? This is letter G. G phonic sound is ga. G phonic sound is ga. So G, ga, grapes. Is it correct? Yes, students. This is correct. So we will make friendship with letter G and grapes. Okay, so we have done these two. Now look, what is the next letter? This is letter K. This is letter K. K phonic sound is ka. K phonic sound is ka. So students, what are these? These are nuts. These are nuts. So K, ka, nut. Is it okay? No, this is not okay. Then what is this? This is pumpkin. K, ka, pumpkin. Is it correct? No, this is also not correct. So, next one, this is kite. K, ka, kite. Is it correct? Yes, this is correct. So, we will make friendship with letter K and kite. Okay, then this is letter N. This is letter N. N phonic sound is N phonic sound is Okay, so these two already done. We will not change with that. Then this is nut. Nut. Is it correct? Yes. Nut. So here another friends, right? Now the last letter is P. The last letter is P. P phonic sound is pa. P phonic sound is pa. So P, pa, pumpkin. Yes, P, pa, pumpkin. So P's friend is pumpkin. So students, this is so easy, right? If you know the letters name and the phonic sound and the object's name, you can easily do this work, right? This is so interesting, right? We will make the friendship with the letter. We will make friendship with letter and the picture, right?